When your phone rings and you hear a familiar voice, human instinct instantly triggers deep trust, making sudden urgency hard to question. Modern AI tools can clone anyone's voice from just a few seconds of public audio found on social media or webinars. This fuels sophisticated voice phishing attacks, known as vishing, targeting everyday families and business professionals with urgent demands for sensitive data. Legacy defenses fail completely because attackers easily spoof caller ID numbers, bypassing all basic security checks before the call even connects. Voice was never designed to serve as an authentication factor. It merely signals familiarity rather than proving the speaker's true identity. Scammers exploit this psychological vulnerability to trick employees into executing unauthorized wire transfers or leaking confidential company secrets under extreme pressure. Protect your home and organization by establishing family-safe words and out-of-band verification protocols today. Subscribe and share to stay secure.